car show, and today we have an entire streetcar to ourselves. We have an entire TTC subway train car to ourselves. Earlier you missed out because my mom forgot to record, and I ran back and forth on the subway. Mom forgot to record that as well. So I'm gonna recap how I ran while I'm in the streetcar. And I ran to the front of the car. Whew. David likes to exercise.
Do you know where we are?
No. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Downtown Toronto, at least.
Yeah. I got Oh! This one was upside down. Kennedy's burning.
Are you done?
No. I know.
Are you done? We're gonna go.
Where's my Kennedy one?
Oh, okay. I think we're gonna go.
Alright.
Okay, sit properly.
Bye.